Hey, what are you doing?
Every real estate agent has a kind of video.
Right. Mate, you're not really showing your watch off, are you?
Hey mate, I've seen all the real estate agents do that.
I think that's a Rolex thing.
Here we have the fully renovated bathroom, freestanding bath. Now, cue the models.
Mike, we don't have the budget for models.
Oh really?
Great, he's showing us all the local coffee shops. What's next? The park at the end of the street?
I guess I'm not cut out to be a real estate agent.
Don't worry, Mike, you don't need to do any of that to be a real estate agent.